Okay, hi everybody.
What up, dude?
What up? This is the raffle drawing for week 5 bingo workout. You had to do 3 workouts in order to be in the drawing. If you win the drawing, you get one of these fancy Oak Ridge Health and PE water bottles. So, boys, are we ready?
What am I doing?
All right, this is my hype team back here. Here we go. I'm gonna spin the wheel.
Come on, get me, dude.
Spin the wheel.
You gotta spin it 3
Guys,
times.
make sure you have some space between you. Space
Yeah,
between you.
coronavirus
Thank
is
you.
totally still here.
Okay. All right. Here we go. Woo!
Come on, dude.
Lillian!
And
No!
Kaylee.
Ash, bro.
Kaylee S.
You
is the
won this
winner.
water bottle.
No!
Yeah.
All right.
Stop.
Kaylee, see me to get your
Stop.
water bottle.